day, Sir Madam. My name is Charlene Ann Barwella. I am 27-year-old. I am married. I have 2 children, 2 both girls. The oldest is 7 years old and the youngest is 1 year old. I am graduate high school. I work in Doha, Qatar as a domestic helper. I do babysitting, taking care of children, taking care of the aides, house cleaning, cooking, and car washing.
So, Charlene, you work in Doha, Qatar as a domestic helper, right?
Yes, sir.
So, did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And can you still recall the name of your employer?
Yes, sir. Mr. and Mrs. Hasan Shaheen.
Okay, and how many are they in the family?
5, sir.
So it means 2 adults and 3 children.
Yes, sir.
And what are the ages of the children?
4, 3, and 1, sir.
Okay, and how many domestic helpers in the family?
Only me, sir.
So it means you are doing all the household chores, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how large is the house?
Small, sir.
So how many bedrooms and bathrooms?
3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms.
Okay, do they have a car?
Yes, sir.
Are you the one who cleans it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you do the same when you're in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Charlene, does your family know that you are planning to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
And who will look after your children?
My husband and my mother, sir.
Okay, can you give the reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to support my family financially. I want to send my kids to a better school, sir.
Okay, Charlene, are you confident enough to look after an infant
Yes, sir.
or a young child in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you do errands like going to the market?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what household chores can you do?
I can do house cleaning, babysitting, and cooking, sir.
And what do you usually cook?
Steamed fish
Okay.
and adobo pork and vegetable and
Okay, Charlene, are you willing to learn how to cook a Chinese cuisine?
yes, sir.
Okay. Can you enumerate what household appliances you can operate?
Rice cooker, microwave oven, vacuum cleaner, flat iron, and washing machine.
Okay, but can you do the laundry by hands?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you look after to some pets?
Yes, sir.
Like what?
Master, can you repeat?
Pet. Can you look after to some pets?
Yes, sir.
Like what?
Dog, cats, and birds.
Okay. Okay, Charlene, how is your health?
Master,
How is your health?
it's fine, sir.
So it means you are physically fit to work.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Charlene, have you suffered from any serious illness before?
No, sir.
Okay, do you drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Do you smoke?
No, sir.
Are you willing to take day off during weekdays?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
2 years and more, sir.
So it means you are willing to extend your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Charlene, as a closing, what can you assure to your future employer?
To my future employer, I will do my best duties and responsibilities to do hard working.
Okay, very good. Charlene, be honest, because serious when you get there in Hong Kong. There are rules and regulations for you to follow. So good luck, Charlene.
Thank you, sir, madam.